Dream guest natin, LeBron James, bro. Come on now, man. From LeBron James died from the perpetual junior.
It was Kobe.
Kobe.
Kobe won it.
Kobe won.
Yeah.
The best basketball minds.
No, of course.
The best sports minds, not just in the country, but you know,
Yeah.
we got a dream big, bro.
Yeah.
So,
International.
my dream guest has always been Coach Ramil De Jesus. He's one of the most brilliant minds in Philippine sports history. So, medyo impossible dream yon. So, kung nanonood ka man, Coach Ramil, for years, I've been trying to get you on. Hopefully, mabigyan mo kami ng pagkakataon.
Dream conversation ko would be yung isa sa mga idols ko growing up na watching sports. Joe. Roman Jaworski. Alam mo, ako kasi basketball junkie ako eh. So, Joe, Coach Jolie pa. Yung mga yan, yung mga old school. Kasi yan yung mga nakalakihan ko na dream. So medyo lumalabas na yung part ako of that older generation who believe that.
Hindi ko yung generation.
Hindi mo na generation, but kayo TikTok generation.
Wow!